Today I just wanted to show you my old remote control car. It's pretty nice. Sorry about the lighting. It's late out at night, but yeah, this one I've had for about 6 to 7 years. It's getting old, but I still like it. It's probably still one of my favorites. One of the interesting things about it is, well, there's only been one break on it. It's just been one of the it's been the steering part, but it still works. And then one of the cool things about this is that you can see when I hit the gas, the engine lights up. It does have a clear cover for the engine, but it's gone now. I have no idea what happened to it, but yeah, then it comes with this cover. It's a Pontiac GTO. It's nice. I would recommend it for starters. But yeah, let's drive it around somewhere. Sorry guys, there we are. My camera wasn't working there for a second. Here we go. You know what? I'm just gonna do it like that. In a second here, guys, I'll show you in a second once it comes back around. 1 second, guys. It sounds pretty cool too. Here it comes, guys, coming around, and I mean it kind of stands out. I mean it's pretty cool. I would definitely recommend it. It's nice to have. I mean, it's not like it's like a race fast one, but I mean it definitely does still work. But yeah, I like it. So, if you guys want to see more videos like this, then you guys can go and subscribe, okay? Or if you guys, or just please watch, please hit that like button, and please leave a comment so I know what you think about it. I'll hopefully make another video soon. See ya.